Topics WAEC Set 2024 BECE Science Questions From. Click to see all here. This content is very useful for anyone preparing to sit the 2025 BECE Science exam. In this short article we'll explore the topics the WAEC set all the 2024 BECE Science Questions From. These topics should be the starting point for anyone preparing for the upcoming examination. Since the 2024 BECE was the first to conduct under the new Common Core program introduced by NACA in 2019. First, the article will take a look at all the science topics in the new NACA Common Core program and further look at the actual topics that appeared in the 2024 edition of the BECE. See all the topics for science under the new Common Core program. The new curriculum for junior high school (JHS) science under the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment (NACA) of Ghana emphasizes the integration of science with everyday life, promoting problem-solving skills and practical knowledge. Below are the key topics outlined for JHS science. JHS 1 Science Topics. 1. Diversity of matter. Physical and chemical changes. States of matter. Separation techniques. 2. Living things. Cells and their functions. Plant and animal classification. Ecosystems and habitats. 3. Forces and energy. Types of forces e.g., friction, gravitational. Work, energy, and power. Simple machines. 4. Earth science. Weather and climate. The solar system. Rocks and minerals. 5. Science and technology. Introduction to scientific methods. Tools and equipment used in science. Impact of science and technology on society. JHS 2 Science Topics. 1. Diversity of matter. Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Acids, bases, and salts. Metals and non-metals. 2. Living things. Reproduction in plants and animals. Heredity and inheritance. Growth and development of living organisms. 3. Forces and energy. Heat and temperature. Electricity and magnetism. Energy transformations. 4. Earth science. The water cycle. Soil and its importance. Renewable and non-renewable resources. 5. Science and technology. Innovations in science and their applications. Environmental impact of scientific discoveries. JHS 3 NACA Science Topics. 1. Diversity of matter. Atomic structure and bonding. Chemical reactions and equations. The periodic table of elements. 2. Living things. Human body systems e.g., circulatory, digestive. Health and hygiene. Diseases and prevention. 3. Forces and energy. Light and sound. Waves and their properties. Electromagnetic spectrum. 4. Earth science. Natural disasters e.g., earthquakes, volcanoes. The Earth's atmosphere. Environmental conservation. 5. Science and technology. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. ICT and its role in science. Careers in science. These topics focus on fostering curiosity, critical thinking, and hands-on learning through practical experiments and real-life applications. The actual topics for the 2024 BECE Science Questions. Based on the 2024 BECE Science paper, here are the topics from the NACA JHS Science curriculum that appeared. 1. Diversity of matter. Question 1a asks about why the left lower part of the heart, the ventricle, has a thicker muscle, which relates to the structure and properties of the heart. Question 1bi addresses plant parts maize, tomato, and cassava linking to the diversity of plant matter. 1. Electric circuits from the diagram in Fig. 1c. Understanding the function of components like resistors, ammeters, voltmeters, and switches. Calculations involving voltage, current, and resistance. Conservation of energy or value in a circuit. 2. Systems. Question 1ai involves the functions of different parts of the heart, a key human body system. Question 1bi also involves plant systems, seed, stem cutting, and their cultivation. regular body deals with forces and energy. Question 4b. Calculating energy involves understanding mechanical energy, which is part of this topic. 3. Chemical bonding. Formation of an ammonia molecule through interaction between hydrogen and nitrogen atoms. 4. Humans and the environment. Question 3bi asks about symptoms of COVID-19 and preventive measures, directly linking to health and environmental concerns. Question 3be on why COVID-19 was declared a pandemic also touches on global health and environmental factors. 5. Living things. Question 4a relates to the human digestive system and its comparison with a rabbit's digestive system, linking to living things and human anatomy. 6. Light and sound part of forces and energy. Question 2ai asks for a diagram showing how a shadow is formed, covering light as a topic under energy. Yes, so if you're writing the next BECE, I'll urge that you first of all take a study of these topics before thinking of any other. This is not to say the other topics are not important, but they stand a chance of reappearing in the coming BECE Science Questions. Do even join our Telegram channel to access our contents in real time. Other articles you may find useful. Check them out.